See, this game is called Nameless Cat because you are playing as a nameless cat. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say about this game so far. It has good music. It's very calm music with not calm enemies. So the thing about this game is that you're a nameless cat, like the title says, and you are looking for your treasure so you can become alive again. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention to the story, but I think I got some of the story correct. And the gimmick is whenever you see one of these tombstone things, you can teleport to them, but you have to be in a radius. Ah, okay, well, alright, I'm gonna try this again. Also, you can't get hurt in them, so I guess that's a gimmick in this game that they thought was a smart idea, and actually it was, and it works well. I don't know how well it works because I still suck at platforming games. Well, I don't think I've ever played a platforming game on the channel before, but if I have, I probably sucked at it. And you probably saw me die at parts with these type of blocks a lot. They decide to put these in games a lot. Oh, that's a no-no. Ow. I hate you. You in particular. This game has really good sprites too. This game is honestly a good game. It's just that I suck. And that's not the game's fault, it's my fault. But I suck, and that's the problem. I don't know what that makes sense, but basically I'm gonna be a whiny baby about this. And I personally, I hate. Also, there's these, okay. I got out of the teleport, and why would you still charge if I went into thing, huh? Woohoo. Let me teleport, please. Do do do. Do do do. Do do. This game's music reminds me of Hollow Knight music. Hey, I did it. Or piano music, that reminds me of piano music. I think this is a secret area, to be honest. Oh, there's a guy up here. I want to talk to you. Hey man, guess what? A hot penguin just passed by here. Have you seen her? Believe me, she must be somewhere stalking us right now, cause my nose can smell her scent. If you see her, let me know. Oh, well, that's what I like to call a stalker, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to talk to you again. You're weird. You're weird. You have the definition of weird. I'm gonna go over here now while you sit over there with your stupid, ugly, fat. Let me go. You're so slow. Alright, there's a girl over here. Is that the hot penguin? Oh, what an adorable kitten. Come give me a hug. No. You must be careful when walking around here by yourself. I smell something strange right now. Oh, by the way, the penguin followed me around, not maybe. He must be a cat-loving pervert. You're in danger. Scream for help. I want to go talk to him again. Instead of being the level. Okay, well, that's what I get for trying to do a side quest. You get an ad. That's what I get. That I can just skip. Then now I'm gonna have to do this part all over. So, back at this part. That is fairly easy, and I'm not gonna help that guy stalk somebody. Give me to the end of this level, please. Thank you. I don't like that. I don't like spikes. Oh, it's this guy. I hate this guy. Did you get past that monster? When I looked back, you already got rid of him. Could it be that you have a superpower to pass through walls? I want to be a superpower too. A superpower to fly in the sky like Superman. Then I won't be scared of jumping over those spikes. What I meant, then I could help others pass through those spikes. Why am I so goddamn great? Oh no, why are you not great? Why are you just not great at all? Idiot. You have literally the IQ of no. Stupid. I feel like that's gonna basically be Red from Pokemon. Hey, I'm just gonna follow you around the whole entire game, being annoying, most annoying as possible. Quick puzzle, not that hard. There's a button over here. Please unlock that. Yep, it does. That was kind of predictable. Huh. That has a problem. There is a problem with this. Do 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 do. Yeah, I don't need that wall. That wall was kind of dumb anyway. Yay. Eh. Push. Yeah. I did it. I collected my part of my soul. And yes, the easy path. This doesn't look that easy. And look, checkpoint. Why? Why will you force me? Oh, I see the problem with this level. This not easy path. Even though it's called easy path, you lied to me. And you're not using... You're not using your brain cells correctly, game. Why would you put a thing above my head to mess me up, man? It's not like you put that on there on purpose. No, that would be stupid. Why would you do that? That would be enormously stupid. That would be so stupid that okay. You know, I have no word to talk now. Because you know why? Because this game is good. Ow! Okay. What a bug just said. Okay, I'm gonna step. Oh, well, I just suck. And now nice. Do 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 do. Do do. Do do. Okay, I did it. For once. And I'm gonna transition over to this. Is there something down here? Oh, it's my friend. Hey, kitty, let me tell you something. The traveler will leave canned cat food behind. Oops. If you find any, you trade those with the merchant for an item. You can trade cat food for skins on the menu. If we find a way out in the distress, we can head over to the forest across the bridge. Look on the bright side, the church is still standing after all these years. Perhaps we can find the exit. Yay, cat food. Cat food, yay. Why specifically cat food? There is not only cats in this. All of us are dead, and we're trying to find a way out of heaven. Well, I don't know if this is heaven, but it's someplace. Some guy created us and said, hey, I'm just gonna leave these guys in here and just say, no, double puzzle. I don't like double puzzle. There's a lawnmower outside now. Oh, it's one of those teleporters. I hate these. Because there's puzzles with them. Alright, go down here. Oh, wow, I was supposed to do something way different with that. I thought it was just there. You know what? I probably should have died there. Go up here. Push this. I can't make that jump. By myself. Uh-oh, stink. Okay, you know, I don't think I need that cat food. That's a very dumb cat food. It's for dumb people. Only dumb people get that one. That one's for dummies. Uh-oh. Well. Ow. That hurt. That hurt me mentally because now I figure out how to do it. Or not. Or just die to the cannon. That's there for a reason, I bet. A reason that is called to be harder. To make the game slightly harder. Alright, I did it. Well, it's a one-way button. Well, not really one way, but you can only press it once. Because it's orange, and orange means we can only press this once. Bro. What is this over here? Oh, it's a cat. Girl, I don't know what her name is. Why would they build a church in the snow? No gravestone here has... I don't know. It has many crosses that are placed that you cannot reach, with booby traps inside. As this, the church was designed as a pharaoh's pyramid, executing whoever enters the place. If not for the heavy snow that damages the traps here, we might not be able to leave the place. Well, you know, could you stop shooting? Oh, well. Oh, wait, the things I'm teleporting to are tombstones, because we're dead. Why would you teleport me on top of the box? That's rude and dumb, and also mean. Not really dumb, but you get my point, I think. And now card game, wow. Yes, I'm back. Yes, I'm back from the ad. Woo. Okay, I almost died. I don't know how to deal with this situation. I just had to jump over it multiple times. Like a hopscotch game. Hopscotch game. I was not paying attention at all. I was just... I thought it was a normal cannon where you don't shoot at the literal speed of light. Hello, yes, this is me. Okay, you know, I don't think my tactic is going to work. I think a better tactic is to not die. It's a very good thing that you do in games when you're good at it, but whenever you're bad at a game, you just suck. Is there something I'm missing here? Can you move while you're in it? Nope, you can't move the tombstone while you're in it.
Brutality.
Yep. Phone call that I don't know. Oh, I am dumb. Okay, I know it now, I know. Yep, I understand now. I am so smart, guys. Now I'm gonna wait for this stupid to come back. Do 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 do. So how would I get out of the thing? How would that go?
Bruh.
Well, nobody's gonna talk about that. Nobody. No one in the comment section. How the video just skipped without explanation of me. I'm not gonna tell you. Noob. Do this part. Normal shooting cannon. Okay. Yes. This has the good. I almost died, and that would have been fatal to my mental health. Okay. Yay. I did it. Oh, there's a new guy. Watch out for the monster ahead. The cross I worked hard on was smashed by that bastard. I spent the whole month rebuilding a new one. If somebody can drive away from this bastard, I'll make a cross for his grave for free. Well, only if he died before me. Stop disturbing my work. He's a builder man, look. He has a cross that I can't teleport. What does this guy do whenever I get in front of him? Nothing. Well, that was the hardest thing I've ever seen. Oh no. Katie, you're just in time. There's a broken bridge ahead and it seems unstable though. When I was on the bridge I saw one smaller one underneath it. Although it looks a little shabby, at least it's in one piece. It's located at the bottom of the island. I spent some time looking for the entrance to the bridge. I think I can find it pretty soon. Why am I so goddamn great? I don't know, jellyfish man. Why don't you tell me? Oh. Us. Oh. Well, that is a problem. He can kill you inside the gravestone. Or was that just me being jump out of the grave, or did he actually kill me inside the grave? When he used his pointing. Oh. That's crazy, man. So, the thing is, he doesn't charge, but he just destroys me whenever I try to get in the grave. There was an animation that he did while I was in the grave, so he knows that he did that and that wasn't an accident, and that just means that he's really mean. Go away. I don't like having to see you once again. Oh, I almost died there. Doo-doo. Uh-oh. Stinky guy. Oh, there's just a block that I had to push. That this guy will definitely not ruin. What did that do? Explain. Please, do. Do explain. Please. Jump. I don't know what that did. Okay, nice. Nice. What did my epicness do? Please, tell me. Do. Oh, it did that. Over there, but I was just too fat. Why am I getting a commercial for a dating simulator? Sometimes I'm concerned about the system that these guys use whenever they're looking for the stuff, but you know, sometimes you just get to see some cursed anime tits, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about that ad. Reviewing next time. I wasn't very happy with seeing them. I actually want to bleach my eyes now and just not have to deal with just seeing that ever again. Thank you. Alright, I would have to teleport. Yep, I did it. I'm smarty. I can't complete that jump. I'm actually baffled. The gate. There's a boss battle here. I already know it. No music or anything. And I can't move. Why do I hear boss music? Oh, that's why. Okay. I'm going to have to use my big brain for this one. Uh-oh. Well. Scary dragon guy is coming. The top route is quicker. Okay. I'm running currently from a psycho dragon. There's a saw on the bottom there. Stop. Go away. It is including every mechanic from past levels. Like pushing blocks that shouldn't be. Okay. Well, I wouldn't really call this a boss fight, more of a run and gun situation. With no gun involved. Why do I keep on doing that? Just not making any sense. When I get to this part and I jump over here and then I go too fast so I fall down and I don't get to go up here. That part is really not cool to me or my health. My health right now is that I have to push these stupid blocks to... You know, can we not talk about that death? The death is very sad. Ah! I just... Yes. Okay, well, I guess I'm dead. Oh, I just saw that he has an eyeball. Oh, well. Thought it was gonna be another anime thing, but now I don't have to skip the video for YouTube to despise me as a creator. Not really a creator, but still, please, help. I want to not die today. Okay? Alright. And I should have waited. Waiting in this is really not a thing I should do, actually. When I think for a millisecond. Alright. I just realized that he has an eyeball. And I thought the design was just, hey, blocky dragon. He has a singular eyeball. Oh no. This is scare. This is scare. Please. Ha, you're stuck. Just have to make these. Oh, it's jellyfish guy and guy don't. Whoa, where did you draw? Where did you draw this monster? You're finally out, Kitty. Hey, Kitty, you know him? Hello, I am Jellyhead. Hello, I am Nora. Are you Kitty's friend? I don't see you on my. I didn't see you on my way here, cause I was helping others. Actually, I've been staying in this church all these years. Warning passing adventures to watch out for dangers. I see. Thank you for your help. Now I keep moving forward, Kitty. Actually, this church isn't dangerous at all. Therefore, I'm going to the place you guys are heading. This way, I'll be able to help more people. That's great. Let's head out, Kitty. Wait. What's wrong? Why am I so goddamn great? What? You know, that's dialogue if I've ever seen it. Well, I beat that world. Church. That was nice. This game is nice. Bruh. Hello. Wow. I love how I subscribe to channels that just say free everything you like get gifted just so I can be funny and have funny. I have 7. And there's a box cat, but I'm too poor to afford it, sadly. But, you know, oh, there's achievements. What is this? Well, that's all that I'm gonna film. I thought this was gonna be a long video, just completing the last few levels. But, no. Now we're going to the forest. I don't know if I'm gonna make more videos of this game. It's a good game. But if I do, you better watch them or I will come to your house and say this.